Ever wondered why your paycheck seems to vanish before the month ends? Imagine if you could tell every dollar where to go and still have some left over for the things you love. Let's uncover the secret to a budget that truly works. Meet Sarah, a young professional who used to feel like she was constantly drowning in her finances. Every month, she would get paid, feel relieved for a moment, and then watch helplessly as her money disappeared. Bills, groceries, unexpected expenses. By the end of the month, she was left counting pennies and wondering where it all went. Does this sound familiar? One day, Sarah decided enough was enough. She realized she needed to plan something that would help her take control of her finances rather than being controlled by them. That's when she discovered the power of budgeting. But this wasn't just any budget. It was a budget designed to actually work for her, not against her. Sarah started by listing all her income sources and every single expense. She categorized them into needs, wants, and savings. The magic happened when she began assigning every dollar a job. She told her money where to go instead of wondering where it went. By tracking her spending and adjusting as needed, Sarah found herself with more money at the end of each month. And it wasn't just about cutting back. Sarah built in small rewards for herself, like a night out or saving for a vacation, so she didn't feel deprived. Her budget became a roadmap to her goals, guiding her to financial stability and even helping her start saving for a future she once thought was out of reach. Now, Sarah no longer dreads the end of the month. She's confident, in control, and, most importantly, stress-free. All it took was a simple budget that she could stick to, and it transformed her financial life. So, if you're tired of watching your money slip away, it's time to take control. Start with a budget that works, just like Sarah did. Your financial freedom is just a plan away. Just like Sarah, you can take control of your finances with a simple and effective budgeting technique. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. By giving every dollar a purpose, you'll find yourself not only covering all your needs, but also achieving your financial goals with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies to manage your money wisely. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. We're here to help you build a stronger financial future, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.